Want to use your AirPods with your LG Smart TV for private listening? This video shows you how, step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know to connect your AirPods to your LG TV via Bluetooth quickly and easily. As of 2026, it's a seamless process and will get you set up in minutes. First, ensure your LG Smart TV has Bluetooth. Most models from 2016 onwards do. To confirm, check your TV's manual or LG's website for your specific model. If it's older, you might need an HDMI Bluetooth adapter. This video focuses on TVs with built-in Bluetooth. Start by pressing the Settings button on your LG TV remote. In the Settings menu, select the Sound option. Then choose Bluetooth from the Sound Out options. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on in the menu. Your TV will now be discoverable for pairing. The improved WebOS 24.x interface makes this process smoother. To put your AirPods in pairing mode, first open the charging case if you have one. Press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white, indicating pairing mode is active. If your AirPods are already paired with another device, you'll need to forget that connection in your device's Bluetooth settings first. For AirPods without a case, simply place them directly into pairing mode using the controls on the earbuds. Back on your LG TV, use your remote to navigate to the Settings menu, then select Sound Out and choose Bluetooth Device List or a similar option. Once in the Bluetooth device list, your LG TV will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices automatically. When your AirPods appear in the device list, use the remote to highlight and select them. If a pairing prompt appears, confirm the connection by selecting Yes or OK. Once paired, your AirPods should connect automatically, and all TV audio will route to them wirelessly. First, check that your AirPods are fully charged. Open the charging case to see the LED indicator. Green means they're ready to use. Next, ensure your AirPods aren't already connected to another device. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and disconnect the AirPods if they're paired there. Try restarting Bluetooth on your LG TV. Navigate to Settings, then Sound, Sound Out, and toggle Bluetooth off and back on. For the AirPods, place them back in the charging case, close the lid for about 30 seconds to reset Bluetooth, then reopen the case. If problems persist, forget the AirPods from your TV's Bluetooth settings, then put AirPods in pairing mode and repair them through the TV menu. For optimal performance, keep your LG TV's firmware updated. Go to Settings, then General, and select About this TV to check for updates. This ensures compatibility with the latest Bluetooth features and fixes any known connection issues. LG TVs with Bluetooth 5.3 offer significantly lower latency, making them perfect for gaming where timing is critical. Check your TV model specifications to see if it supports this newer standard, which reduces audio delay to under 100 milliseconds. AirPods use the AAC codec for high-quality audio transmission. While this provides good sound, you may notice slightly reduced fidelity compared to direct Apple device connections. If audio quality seems off, navigate to your TV's audio settings and adjust Bluetooth codec options if available. If your LG TV doesn't have built-in Bluetooth support, you can use an HDMI Bluetooth transmitter. Simply plug it into your TV's HDMI port, and it will enable wireless audio streaming to your AirPods. The future holds exciting developments for wireless audio on LG TVs. You'll see AI-driven pairing that makes connections almost instantaneous, and universal standards like Matter will allow plug-and-play compatibility across all your devices. LG is actively working to optimize their TVs for seamless AirPods integration. This means better compatibility, faster connections, and enhanced audio features specifically tailored for Apple's wireless earbuds. One important note: spatial audio features may experience glitches when used with non-Apple devices like LG TVs. This can sometimes result in mono audio output instead of the intended spatial effect. The future of audio on LG TVs is undeniably wireless. LG continues to innovate, providing cutting-edge solutions that make connecting your AirPods easier and more reliable than ever before.